Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Tisha Marie. As you guys can see by the titles down below, today I am going to be reviewing this wig from Hairtelligence. Please make sure you watch this video in its entirety because you definitely want to make sure that you are checking for this company. I want to go ahead and let you guys know right away that this is a Black owned and founded company. It's owned by Black women. I'm just going to go ahead and tell you guys up front, this is literally the best hair, the best wig that I have ever tried. I'm gonna show you guys how everything comes. I'm gonna show you guys how I installed this hair. It's very, very easy. Let's just go ahead and get into it. So again, the hair that we are reviewing today is from a brand new company called Hairtelligence. And like I told you guys, I am so excited to show this to you guys. So first I want to tell you guys a little bit about the company. First thing that I want to mention is that this company is Black owned. So that's the very first thing that I'm super excited about because we don't have too many Black owned hair brands on the market. They did not pay me to promote this product. I am giving you guys my honest opinions. Another thing that I wanted to mention is the technology that they use. When you go on the Hairtelligence website, it lets you know that you can customize the wig to your liking. So you can choose a closure, you can choose a frontal, you can choose the hair texture. So if you want straight, kinky, body wave, deep wave, if you want a blonde body wave, they have that for you. Now, more importantly, they're using AI technology to customize your wig. So what I mean by that is when you go on the website, you are going to be given the option to scan your face so that they can get the measurements of your lace correct. Also, so that they can get the color of your lace correct. The color of the lace is always a struggle. So they want to make sure that they're customizing your lace to you. I did go ahead and go onto the website. I got everything customized to my liking. What I picked out was a 24-inch body wave frontal wig. And you guys, it's amazing. So let me go ahead and show you what they sent me. This is the box that your hair is going to come in. All right, so when you open your box, this is how it's gonna look. You see your hair is right here on the top. It is secured down and you have your card in here giving you all of the information, also telling you everything that is included in the box. On the back, you also get some information, so a hair care guide. So the first thing you get is 2 clips, a pair of scissors, so you can cut your lace. You get your edge brush, you receive a rat tail comb, you get this elastic band so that you can melt the lace, you get a wig cap, and then my favorite part is the storage bag to put your wig inside of. So you get the little hanger on the top so you can hang it up if you want to, if you're traveling with it. Let's get into what we are all excited for, what we are here for today, which is the hair. First thing we are seeing is that you do have this band here at the bottom. So this is for if you don't want to like glue your wig down. This is going to make sure that your wig is on nice and tight. It is not going to go anywhere. And already looking at this lace, y'all, I am super impressed. The front is clearly plucked. The knots are bleached. It's literally looking like I'm probably not going to have to do anything to this wig. Even the lace is cut for the most part. I'm gonna show this lace to you guys against my skin. Do you see that? Like, do y'all see that? This lace is literally bleached and pre-plucked. This is literally the thinnest lace that I have ever seen on a wig. Like, it is literally so thin. I'm gonna go ahead and take this hair off and I'm gonna put this on. So, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. So I literally have like 4 chunky braids and I just pulled them all back into a little bun here. I don't know how to braid. I did my best. Okay, so as y'all can see, I'm not doing anything special. I'm not doing the ball cap method. So I'm just loosening my band a little bit because I don't want it to be too tight. Okay, so y'all can see that I literally just popped this wig onto my head, right? Or, you know, maybe you don't see it because the lace is basically, where is it? Where's the lace? What lace? Y'all, this wig isn't even secured onto my head all the way, and I'm already about to start reviewing it. Hold on. I'm speechless, to be honest with y'all. Like, I didn't cut any extra lace off of this wig. It literally came like this. Usually I'll spray my Got To Be on the lace just to like really melt it in, but do I even need to do that? All right, y'all, so what I'm gonna do, because I literally don't even want to spray Got To Be on this hair. I don't want to spray it on the lace or anything. So I'm actually just gonna take some mousse. This is just a really soft styling foam, and I'm just gonna take a tiny little bit and just kind of put it on the hairline. And this is just so I can kind of like mold the baby hairs how I want them to be without them being like hard and crunchy. Let me use my little clips. I just want you guys to see that I'm like barely doing anything to this hair. Like, I'm literally doing the bare minimum. All right, now I am going to take our elastic band. Yes, I know I didn't do that right, but I didn't feel like lifting the hair up. I told y'all I'm lazy. So I'm just gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes, and then I'll come back and show y'all how it looks. I know y'all see this. And again, I did not use any glue. I did not use any Got To Be spray. I did not use any adhesive. I did not put any makeup on this lace. And I'm sorry I keep looking over here into the mirror because I can't even believe it myself, honestly. Like, I did not pluck a single hair out of this hairline, and look at it. Like, look at that. Look at that. That's insane. That's insane. It looks so natural. This hair is growing out of my scalp, and you can't tell me that it's not. This is my hair. This hair grew out of my scalp, and can anybody tell me that it didn't? I didn't even touch on how the hair feels because I'm just so impressed by the lace. Like, what? Remember how I told y'all that I was probably going to cut a little bit of the lace off anyway because like the lace was already cut, but y'all saw it. Like, it was kind of like ridged, and I was thinking I was gonna cut the extra lace off. I didn't even do that. Like, I completely forgot to do that because once it was on my head, it was like, where is the lace? Like, what am I even cutting? For what? Like, why did y'all include these, Hairtelligence? Because what am I cutting? Honestly, this is literally the best lace that I have ever seen, period. It literally feels like nothing is on my head right now. I'm just gonna prove it to you that I did not glue a single thing down. Y'all see that? It's not glued down. Another thing that I want to tell you guys about this lace that I feel like is very important to mention. So one of the things that I always struggle with every single wig that I have ever tried, that I've ever worn, all of that, is that the lace never comes down to here. I don't know if it's because the circumference of my head is so big, or if it's because my hairline like grows all the way down. The ear tabs never come to where I need them to come to. Y'all know how girls create the sideburns with their wigs? I'm never able to do that because my ear tabs never come down far enough. This wig, I don't have that problem. Like, this is the first time that I've never had that problem with the hairline on a wig. And not only that, but like I showed y'all, it's not glued down, and it's not like flipping up and lifting up and I'm having to like cover it up with the hair. It is literally doing what it's supposed to do. So the hair, y'all see the hair, like, it's beautiful. It's so soft. It's super soft. It's not tangling, so I'll show you guys. As long as this hair is at the nape, it is not tangling. It's not shedding either. My mind is blown. Hairtelligence literally has blown me away. I did tell you guys that I got a 24-inch. I don't know the density of this hair, so I will mention that, but I like the density of it. Whatever it is, it looks very natural. But I'm gonna stand up just so you guys can see where it comes to. So it is coming, once it's stretched out, it's coming past my waist, and then I will take all the hair to the back so you guys can just see how it looks. I have not one single con for this hair. This hair has far exceeded my expectations. Hairtelligence really knows what they are doing, and it shows. If you guys buy hair, then you know that good hair is an investment. I would just say, don't let the price of this hair steer you away from buying it, because you are literally getting what you pay for. Another thing that I wanted to show you guys, so the frontal, this is a large frontal. So this frontal stops all the way back here. It also, like, it's not just a little bit of space on the ear. Like, you literally get all of the space that you need to part this hair. Like, do you guys see that? And you don't even have to pluck wherever it is that you want to part, because they just really outdid themselves with this wig, y'all. Like, I feel like Beyonce. The celebrities are definitely going to be wearing the Hairtelligence wigs, because this hair is amazing. Would I recommend this hair? Do I even have to say? I 100%, 1000% recommend this hair. If this hair was not sent to me, I would absolutely invest my own money into this hair, because that is how good it is. I am so thankful that Hairtelligence reached out to me to review this wig. They didn't even ask me to review it. The hair is amazing. The company, the way that they do their customization is incredible. I have all positive things to say. You guys, if you are looking for hair to purchase, if you are looking for a wig to purchase, whether you're a beginner or advanced at applying your wigs, I feel like Hairtelligence is definitely where you should be purchasing your wigs from. So again, I can't thank Hairtelligence enough for sending me this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions at all about this hair, then make sure you leave them down below in the comments, and I'll be sure to answer you guys. As always, I will leave all of the information for this hair and the company down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check them out. Please support this company. This is a Black owned and founded business, and it is incredible. So make sure you check out that description box so you can check out Hairtelligence. If you guys enjoy this type of content, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you are not already subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you have your post notifications turned on, and I will see you guys next time.